once a center pointer, always a center pointer is not just a phrase, it's an emotion. And those who know, they know that. स्कूल में जब होते हैं तब लगता है ओ कॉलेज जाएंगे तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आएंगे, फ्रीडम मिलेगा, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. बट स्कूल रियली इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम. एंड जब हम स्कूल में होते तब रियलाइज़ नहीं होता, बिकॉज we are meeting our teachers, we are meeting our favorite people, we are meeting our friends every day for so many hours. But when you grow up, it's just not possible. I have not seen some of my friends in like 2-3 years at all. The best part about school life is enjoying with your friends. I mean, running through the corridors, through the stairs, or stairs पे वो खिड़की बनी होती थी and we would sit there and talk. School canteen, oh my god. और वो दाबेली and there was another dish, footlong, और वो समथिंग crispy veg. हाँ, और हमारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर क्लास भी होती थी 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, टाई एंड डाई, फोटोग्राफी एट्सेट्रा. टाई एंड डाई इट वॉज मतलब वो बेस्ट पार्ट था 9th स्टैंडर्ड का. एंड द स्कूल ट्रिप्स, आई वेंट टू दुधवा एंड it was an amazing trip. The breaks and the games period, or sharing lunch with your friends. Friendship day, oh friendship day was friendship day का वेट होता था कि इतने सारे बैंड्स लाने हैं, सबको पहनाना है, जो दिखेगा नज़र में उसको भी पहनाना है. बर्थडेज, बर्थडेज इतने सारे टॉफ़ी चॉकलेट्स लेके आना. एंड देन आई रिमेंबर 7th स्टैंडर्ड में मैं पूरे दिन अपने बर्थडे पे घूमी हूँ, इधर से उधर चॉकलेट बांटना. एंड आई टुक 2-3 ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स इन शिफ्ट्स ताकि उनका भी अच्छा टाइम पास हो जाए. द फ्रेंड सर्कल यूज टू एक्सपैंड एवरी ईयर, और बाय 10th स्टैंडर्ड सबके प्रॉपर ग्रुप्स बने हुए थे. द छोटे those high school links and all. We used to think कि teachers को नहीं पता होगा about anyone, but apparently all the teachers knew about it. It's just something, जब अभी सोचो तो you can easily laugh about it now. तब it was such a big deal. Oh, it was just a wonderful time. And the science projects and the science fair. Oh, choirs. Oh my god, the Western music and the Indian music, both the choirs. I was in both of them for a brief period of time, or we got to miss classes, of course. And then 11th and 12th में रुचि मैम, परिजाद मैम के साथ we did play on Founders Day. It was lovely. Everything, the ups and the downs, the highs, the lows. We had all of our first together, our first periods, and our so many things. हमारे टाइम पे सुमति मैम was the principal, and she has just stayed in my heart and in my mind. So many of the teachers there, I still remember them very vividly. और मुझे अभी भी बहुत proud feel होता है कि the school is inspired by Harry Potter and it has Harry Potter paintings and the Hogwarts castle. हर बच्चे का ड्रीम होता है to get the letter at 11 and get admission in Hogwarts, but I can very realistically say that yes, I was admitted into Hogwarts because of Centrepoint School. Centrepoint has shaped me in many ways. It has always encouraged the creativity spark in me. I got my dream of acting there, which I'm very actively pursuing. And the last time I'd gone to visit my teachers and the school in 2022 when I was preparing for NSD, and it was so heartwarming to meet all of them, and they gave me their blessings that yes, you'll get into NSD, and I did. I miss all of it. I miss the tamarind tree, all the designated spaces in the school, multi-purpose hall, basketball court, big field. I miss all of you. Lots of love. And last but not the least, Ayush, Jen and I have released a song together, Bolo Na, and it's out on all streaming platforms, and we would love if you could hear the song and share your feedback with us. Bye bye.